Hi everyone. In this video, let us understand what are workbooks and worksheet, and also let us see how to enter data and make use of autofill feature in Excel. A workbook is the entire Excel file. A worksheet is individual sheet in a workbook. Or I can say it is one page or one sheet tab. See here, this entire Excel file, we call it as a workbook. Individual sheet, what you can see here, we call it as worksheets. By default, you can see one worksheet in Excel file. You can add number of worksheets as per your requirements by clicking on new sheet button. By right clicking on sheet tab, you can easily insert a new sheet, delete sheet, rename sheet, move, copy sheet, and also use tab color for a particular sheet. See, these are all the options you can get: insert option, delete option, rename, move, copy, and tab color. Now let us understand how to enter data in Excel sheet. Before that, we have to understand Excel support different types of data like text, number, date, currency, and percentage. You can observe these options present in Home tab, Number group. By default, it is set to General. To enter data, simply type the text in a cell and just press Enter key. You can also use Tab key, and you can use F2 key to edit a particular cell, or you can simply double click on a cell to edit the contents. As you already know, Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y are used for undo and redo your last actions. I'm entering the data here and I'm simply pressing Enter key. So I can simply type the text, press Enter key, or I can also make use of Tab key. See, by default, you can see the number are right aligned, text are left aligned. Say I'll click on any one particular cell, I can edit the text. Another important feature is autofill or fill series, by using which you can generate series of numbers, date, week, days, month, days. Let us now see how to make use of autofill feature in Excel. Enter the first two numbers, then you can make use of fill handle. You can see the difference between how the mouse pointer looks like. Just use the fill handle to fill the series. I can generate sequence of numbers. Similarly, you can see we can generate weekdays. No need of entering the second value. Month name. Also generate series of dates. Say for example, I have entered a date. I can simply fill the series so that the date gets incremented and I can prepare a list of dates. There is also one more option in Excel wherein you can create a custom list. Suppose if you have some specific series, that is name of some products, name of some places, name of some zone. So you can simply make use of custom list, and whenever it is required you can simply fill the series using custom list. Let us see how to do it. Go to File, Options, Advanced option. In this you can make use of Edit Custom List. So which is present under General. You can add a list. Say for example, I'll make a list of zone. Simply click the Add button. So now this is another custom list. I'll just click OK button. Then now I will enter the first value, and then I will simply make use of fill series. So it gets generated. So this is how you can prepare a custom list. Now you know how to add a worksheet, rename worksheet, and how to change the tab color, enter data in Excel file, and also how to make use of autofill feature in Excel. In the next video, we will see how to format an Excel sheet.